I'm delighted that Jack Bukowski is the recipient of the 2015 Alumni Award, and let me tell you why I nominated him. I've known Jack for approximately 20 years.
Congratulations again, Jack, and thank you for your dedication to the community and to the university.
He is a distinguished public servant. He is a man of incredible integrity, honesty, and courage. He has a lifetime of leadership and achievement in public service and the nonprofit sector, and I think Sacred Heart should be incredibly proud to claim him as one of their own.
You clearly are an inspiration for our present students here. Congratulations.
Congratulations on achieving the 2015 Sacred Heart University Distinguished Alumni Award.